So today, me and Jerry are fixing to head out and see. Me and Jerry fixing to head out, go ride some creeks to make sure none of them got washed out last night. Big storm. So that's where we're going now. Jerry on what do you call that mule? Jerry trying out his Bridget on his Rio for the first time. She seems like she's getting along with it good. Chester's got a pretty good with her, but
we're gonna have a little rodeo today.
Trailer left out in the field with a truck, but we call it truck crossing anyways. Kind of washed out a little. Mule's sliding down. A little bit slippery. For Oklahoma creeks, that's actually kind of a lot of water. I've seen more though, but
where are we going? Up, left.
We're going up the creek. Seeing about a little climbing.
Turn around.
Woo! It's a little slippery. Sheesh.
Alright, Bill, you're leading the next way.
Just a little slippery.
Go ahead.
Woo.
Sinking, sinking.
Mule says, I'm gone.
Well, Mule says,
Come on, Chester. He's like, it's not sinky.
is that not a pole?
Yeah, it's a hole. Go try it out. It's not that deep though.
Let's try it out my butt. Oh, I'm thinking.
He said, I'm getting out of there. Jerry will climb that. Not really, it's just chicken. Thanks. I just figured out my saddles were really loose. My saddle was really loose. So, we got a little
Mine's not.
problem. Let me get off the sticks.
People can't stay on these stoves.
Good mule. So now we are heading back to the truck crossing to go up the creek the other way. Let's decide which goes that way. I think we had the same idea. Easy, Jerry. Easy. Easy, Jerry. Try it out. Oh. Turner. Stay with it, Jerry. Stay with it. Oh. Just ride it. Turn her in a circle. Turn her in a circle. Turn her in a circle. There you go. Keep her turned. It's your grouper. I got it all. I did it all, yeah. How fun was that? It was fun. Were you scared about the trees at all? Because she was drifting that away.
A little bit. That's all that scares me is the trees.
So we had our rodeo episode with Jerry, and now we're trying to go down this muddy sucker. Come on, Chester. Come on, Chester. Woo, there's a lot of water down here. Compared to what there usually is, I mean, like usually nothing. We're going up the creek or down it?
Well, good question.
Down the creek we go. So
We can make it. Yes, you
Chester obviously wants to go. Now let's find a way out. You just asked your phone to find a way home? I don't think that's a way home.
I don't think so.
That's what I said. Put down
I'll
your
be
phone.
back.
Fine.
I think
It kind of hitched
got a
along.
little bit of a vine there. Where are we?
So we had to turn around. Could not find a way out of this freaking jungle. Jerry's still fighting it. That didn't work. So back down we go. Yeah, I don't think he's moving. I think he's just sliding. Jerry's about to go swimming. And I'll go this way. Made it.
Now, little girls go that way. Big Meg go this way.
I think not.
I can go. I can get up there.
I think I'll just go this way. He goes this way too. I think we have a hog.
Oh, he's back.
Pig. Hey, that's gonna be our new episode. Is mule pig hunting. Guys, y'all's gonna want to check that one out whenever
Don't ruin.
we actually do it. But hey, let us know if y'all are enjoying these videos, because we are having fun making them. Jerry, what do we say?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Donkeys might. They're just smart enough.
Checking the burrows. Nah. And me.
Just like an elevator. Go down.
Doing the catty crawl. Oh, view. After our rainy day adventures, we have some good looking hamburgers and brought some hot wings. Memorial Day. Chef Dad cooking up.